everyone, Heather Morstatter here with Morstatter Residential of Keller Williams Realty. And today we're coming to you from a very special house, one of my good friends, Leanne Coggins' home here in the Falcon Point community. I'm sure many of you know and love her. And her home we're featuring today at 18925 Still Pond Road. Let's take a look around. (18925) Still Pond Road is 3,232 square feet, built in 2013. It features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 1 half bath, and a 2.5 car garage. It's also located on a corner lot just a few blocks away from the elementary, middle, and high school. This home has more details than your eyes can take in the first time you come for a visit. With all of the custom woodwork, iron rod railing, and the high ceilings make for a great entry, as well as the office space that is off to the left. A spacious, formal dining area to enjoy meals with family and friends. The living and kitchen area are open to each other, allowing for great entertaining and family time. When you walk into this kitchen, you're going to feel that it's something that Joanna Gaines has designed herself, with waterfall marble countertops, white subway tile backsplash, as well as gray cabinets, custom light features, and every detail on every corner you're just going to love. The kitchen is open to the living area, and with an eat-in kitchen area, you're just going to love your time here with your family. Relax in your master retreat with high ceilings and loads of natural light, with a barn door that graces the master bath with a soaking tub, his and her vanities, and large oversized walk-in shower with a gorgeous large walk-in closet. The upstairs offers every room you could think of, and it is a great kids retreat with their own hangout game room and media room just to cozy up with the kids and watch a nice movie. There is also a half bath by the game room and media room for guests. The upstairs also features 2 well-sized secondary bedrooms, a Jack and Jill bath, and you're just going to be amazed by all the details in this home, especially the rose-colored wallpaper. Backyard barbecues, family time, or just watching the kids play, you're going to just love this backyard with the extended back patio and large corner lot. Just want to take a moment to thank you for spending some time with us today. Again, we're at 18925 Still Pond Road. This home is listed by Sean Coggins with Up Realty. And if you guys are thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, we'd love the opportunity to sit down with you and tell you how we can serve you more. You can always reach me at 512-758-5690. And again, this is the Falcon Point Home of the Week.